Let's do another example. I'm looking at problem number 5. They've given me a right triangle. I have my right angle. They've given me that one of the angles is 41 degrees. They want me to find x. I'm going to circle what I'm supposed to find. I'm supposed to find the value of x. Well, I could solve the entire triangle. This time I'm just going to go after what they told me to find. As I look at 41 degrees, I notice that x is across the triangle from 41 degrees, so it is opposite. The other number they gave me is 32. Now that's actually adjacent to 41 because remember, right angle, across from the right angle, this side's the hypotenuse. So the x is opposite from 41 and the 32 is adjacent. So you have to think, okay, what trig function uses the opposite, the one we're looking for, and what they gave us, the adjacent. If I write out SOHCAHTOA, I have to say, well, okay, sine is opposite and hypotenuse. Not it. I don't have the hypotenuse, and they're not asking me to find it. I don't need that guy. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Well, they gave me 32. Now, if they were asking for the hypotenuse, I'd go with cosine. But they're not asking hypotenuse. They're asking what's the opposite. Uh-oh, here it is. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So what I can write is tangent of 41 degrees. Write the degree mark. If you don't write the degree mark, then you're telling the person reading the paper that you're using radians. And we're not using radians right here. Tangent 41 degrees equals opposite over adjacent. Now, to solve for x, I have to get the x by itself. This is x divided by 32. So what I can do is multiply both sides by 32. What that will do, I'm going to write it as 32 over 1 because that's what it is. This will cancel, reduce the 32 over and 32 on the right side. This will give me x over 1, which is x. X equals 32 times the tangent of 41 degrees. Use a regular calculator. Do not use your phone calculator. I'll just type in 32 times tangent, T-A-N. Now, it opened parentheses for me. I want you to close them after you type in the 41 and press equals. And I get that x is 27.81717,561. There's the value for x. Round this to 1 decimal place. After the 8, you have a 1. That's less than 5. I can just drop it off. Now, pay attention also to the directions because sometimes they'll say, give 2 decimal places, give 3 decimal places. From what I have seen on a previous video, they wanted 1 decimal place in this class.